Hello, this is Patrick from XPression, and I'd like to go over how you adjust keyframes in an animation in XPression. Right now we're looking at the over-the-shoulder scene from our demo content for trade shows and other things, and I want to adjust one of the keyframes just to kind of get a feel for it. If I am in the layout mode and I do Control-Shift-K on my keyboard, what you'll see is I get what we call the Keyframe Editor. Well, I'm going to go in and choose OTS Group, and you'll notice as I do that, all the channels that have some activity going on to it are in bold. And you'll notice that I have some curves and splines just because of the way that this has been built. If I click, for example, on rotation Y, what you'll see is I have a little dot right here, and you'll notice that kind of correlates. It's probably right about here on the timeline. Well, I'm going to just take my cursor and I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to adjust the key position, in other words, the position on the timeline where that keyframe exists. And as I step it forward, I'm going to do the adjustment here, but I want you to watch down here. It looks like that's at 6, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet you this one will move as I adjust that. And there it goes. And I'm going to step it down the line, and I'm going to bring it back. I also have the opportunity to adjust the interpolation of that. I have a whole bunch of different choices here, different linear curves, hold positions. I can adjust the tension, in other words, how much of an adjustment there is there. But this is where I would go and move a timeline keyframe, and I would go ahead and adjust the properties of it. This is just one of the easiest ways I've seen to go ahead and adjust this. And the great part about it is while I might have that keyframe at 6 and I might have something else at 6, I can adjust those pieces independently. So it gives me a lot of strength in as far as modifying my animations.